If you want to uninstall Media Player because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Media Player on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu, open your settings, open Apps, open the Installed Apps section, locate Media Player. Click on the three dots to open the Media Player options. Click on Advanced Options. Locate the Uninstall option. This will uninstall Media Player and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Media Player app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again.